Mamma mia, it's the Mario and the Luigi. Hey, I went to a show in Hamburg, train show, and they also had a lot of toys there, one bunch of Legos. So I picked up a couple of Lego characters of Mario and Luigi and thought I'd make a handcar out of them. So I repaired the handcar and painted the wheels green and red. I also traced around them with a paint marker, a blue one. And I made Lego bases, and so I also made some handlebars that match their colors. And so we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. I guess these things are Goombas. They're supposed to be, I guess, mushrooms gone bad. So here we go. Turn the camera just a little bit. And we'll just follow the handcar around. And then we'll set it back down. Alright, looks like I got them running pretty good. Had to build it up a little bit. Put a couple little steps underneath them to get them the right height. But anyway, they work pretty good. So God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord, and thanks for watching.